Hiya, cool cat. Today, let's learn how to play I Believe I Could Fly by ear. Learning how to play a song by ear means that you're either listening to the song being played by someone else or you're singing the song yourself and then figuring out how to play that on the piano. Today, we're just going to learn how to do I believe I could fly, I believe I can touch the sky, just that. I always tell my students, break it down, even to just small, tiny little nuggets. So I like to sing the song and then keep shrinking it down like this. I believe I could fly, stop. I believe, stop. I believe stop. That's one note and we're gonna start right there. The next step is confidence because I want you to sing I